What new developments have Reuters reported about the Iran war and U.S. Israel attacks in 2026? You won't believe how recent events are shifting global alliances and escalating tensions in surprising ways. Reuters reveals that in 2026, U.S. and Israeli forces have intensified their joint attacks on Iranian military installations. These operations now heavily rely on advanced drone technology, allowing precise strikes without risking pilot lives. This marks a shift from earlier tactics, showing how unmanned warfare has become central in the conflict. The escalation has caused significant damage to Iran's missile capabilities, raising the stakes for the region's security and creating a volatile atmosphere. A major Reuters report indicates that several Middle Eastern countries are reevaluating their positions amid the Iran war. Some nations previously aligned with Iran are distancing themselves, while others seek closer ties with the U.S. and Israel. This realignment signals a dramatic change in regional diplomacy as countries balance the risks of the conflict and economic pressures. These shifting alliances could redefine power balances and influence future peace negotiations. The ongoing conflict has led to an alarming increase in civilian casualties, according to Reuters. Humanitarian organizations face significant obstacles delivering aid due to intensified fighting and restricted access. This has triggered global calls for ceasefires and more robust international intervention to prevent further suffering. The situation highlights the human cost behind the headlines and underscores the urgent need for peaceful resolutions. These new Reuters reports reveal how rapidly the Iran war and U.S. Israel attacks are evolving in 2026. From advanced drone warfare to shifting alliances and growing humanitarian crises, the situation is more complex than ever. To stay ahead of these unfolding global events, hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.